Hey design lovers, welcome to Architectural Harvest. As we approach the end of summer, are you thinking about making a small but impactful change to your home? How about bringing some romance and energy into your space by combining bold colors like red and pink? Yes, this color combo isn't just for Valentine's Day. Today, I'm going to show you how to master this striking and beautiful pairing, making it a year-round feature in your home. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First things first, let's toss out the old rulebook. For a long time, mixing red and pink together was seen as a major fashion faux pas. But guess what? Times have changed, and these sister shades are ready to shine. Together. Sarah Ross, co-founder of Addison Ross, puts it perfectly. Those traditional color-matching rules are made to be broken. So if you've been hesitant to mix these hues, now's the time to be bold and experiment. If you're unsure where to start, British interior designer Matthew Williamson has a great tip. Redefine what you think of as neutral. He suggests using blush or plaster pink as your go-to neutral base. It's softer than white, more fun than beige, and adds warmth where gray might feel too cool. Then, bring in red as an accent. Think of it as your pop of personality. Whether it's a bright red chair, a striking chest of drawers, or even a simple bouquet of red dahlias in a pink vase. Next, let's talk about finding the perfect shades to pair. Athena Bluff from Topology Interiors recommends looking to nature for inspiration. and earthy, muted pink pairs beautifully with deep reds like maroon or burgundy. And if you're still feeling a bit shy about the combo, start small. Try a patterned cushion, a piece of art, or even some floral wallpaper that brings both colors together naturally. Now, how about adding some red and pink to your dining space? Allison Howell from Burley Pottery has some wonderful advice for your tablescape. She suggests mixing and matching patterns and colors to create a fresh, seasonal look. Imagine starting with red and white gingham linens, then layering in floral dinnerware in petal pink. It's the perfect way to bring a touch of spring to your table, no matter the time of year. Finally, let's talk balance. Will Plowden of The Roost reminds us not to go overboard. It's all about creating harmony. Mix in some neutral tones like off-whites, creams, and even greens or blues to keep the palette grounded. And for that extra touch of luxury, Annika Reed suggests adding a hint of gold. Whether it's a gilt frame, a brass lamp base, or a plush velvet chair, a little bit of gold can really elevate the look. And there you have it, red and pink, a match made in design heaven. Whether you go all out or just add a few pops here and there, this color combo is sure to bring some warmth, fun, and a dash of romance to your home. So, are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate these bold hues into your space. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!